Hello everyone, let's dive into something truly groundbreaking that's happening right in the heart of Los Angeles. Imagine a future where your home not only shelters you, but also contributes back to the environment. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's becoming a reality thanks to some brilliant minds at Woodbury University. In collaboration with 3D building pioneer Emergent and the Laborers International Union of North America, these students have brought to life the first fully permitted net-zero energy 3D printed house on their Burbank campus. Meet the Solar Futures House, a marvel that not only stands as a testament to innovative architecture but also paves the way for sustainable living. Why is this important, you ask? For starters, the housing crisis coupled with labor shortages has been a thorn in the side for many cities. The Solar Futures House, constructed as part of a national solar decathlon contest by the U.S. Department of Energy, addresses these issues head-on. By utilizing cutting-edge 3D printing technology, the project dramatically cuts down construction time and labor costs. But that's not all. The house is designed with sustainability at its core, incorporating solar power and water recirculation systems to ensure it produces as much energy as it consumes. Yes, it's a net-zero energy home, meaning it's perfectly in balance with nature. What makes this project even more exciting is its open-source material approach. Led by Cobod, a company at the forefront of 3D printing innovations, the project invites collaboration from around the globe. With heavyweight backers like General Electric and Cemex, and a team from over 25 different nationalities, Cobod is setting the stage for a global revolution in how we build our homes. So, what can we take away from this? The future of housing looks bright, and it's leaning heavily towards sustainability and efficiency. Projects like the Solar Futures House not only provide solutions to current problems but also inspire new ways of thinking about construction and living spaces. For those of us passionate about the environment and innovative solutions, this project in Los Angeles isn't just a building, it's a beacon of hope. It shows that with the right mix of technology, collaboration, and vision, we can transform our world, one 3D printed layer at a time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on how technology is shaping our future. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building smart.